Hey guys, welcome back to another cocktail vlog. My name is Johnny. This is Simple Drinks. Today we're making another easy party drink. It's called Shark Attack. It's tasty, it's fun, and it's built in a glass. 4 ingredients, actually 5 ingredients only, but it's so simple to make, you don't worry about it. So without further ado, let's make a Shark Attack. First, we need a big glass. We're going to fill it with ice. We're going to start with coconut rum, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Followed by fresh lemon juice, 15 ml, half an ounce. Third ingredient is blue crystal, 22.5 ml, 3/4 of an ounce. Now we're going to top it up with lemon lime soda, Sprite or 7-Up, whatever you got in hand. Give it a quick stir. And last ingredient for the blood effect, 15 ml, half an ounce of Grenadine. Just drizzle it slowly. You can garnish it, you don't have to, but I'm going to put lime wheel with a maraschino cherry because it looks bloody. Add a straw. And that's it, ladies and gents. Shark Attack. Cheers! Oh yeah, sweet, really sweet, but tasty, refreshing. Coconut rum is dominant. Of course, everything here is sweet except the lemon juice, so expect it to be quite sweet, but it's nice. If you like sweet drinks, this one's for you. Perfect for parties, perfect for summer days by the pool, and if you like sweet drinks, it's good. That's it, ladies and gents. One more cocktail, sweet, delicious, tasty, refreshing, perfect for a party, or if you just want to have something sweet with alcohol. Try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button and subscribe. It means a lot. It helps the channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.